Hello everyone, I am Poonam Patil. Welcome you all for today's video lecture. This is your second module's 11th video class. As you saw in previous video class, we discussed about the HTML. What you mean by HTML? How to we have seen the structure of HTML and one example of HTML means how to write down the code and how to execute the code using this HTML language means how to create a web page. So in today's video we shall discuss about the HTML tags. So we'll see the what type of tags comes in this HTML language. Okay, see, hypertext markup language tags. Hypertext markup language are usually called HTML tags. Okay, HTML tags are keywords. We can call it as a keywords. It is a keywords means tag names surrounded by angle brackets like this HTML. This is HTML is a tag name, and surrounded by this we use the two angle brackets. This is a format to write down any particular tag in HTML. Okay, then HTML tags normally comes in pair. Always whatever tags you have used in your HTML language, that all tags comes in a pair. It is a pair like see here B is the tag for bold. If you want whatever text you have written that comes in bold means dark color, so use the bold. So B is for the bold, so use the angle brackets and B, and this tag B tag is closed using this /B means each tag comes in pair, means one is this one is opening tag and one is closing tag. So B is open, then in within this whatever message you want to write down that you can type here, then at the end using this angle brackets and / close that tag. Okay, this is B is opening tag, then closing of this bold tag. The first tag in a pair is a starting tag. This is a first tag is a starting tag, and the second tag is the ending tag. The end tag is written like the start tag with a / before the tag name. See here, if you want to close any tag using this forward sign, we should close that tag means end of that tag. Then start the end tags are also called opening tags and closing tags. We can call it as a opening tag and closing tag. Using / we should close the tag. So we can call it as a opening tag and closing tag. We use the pair of tags in each HTML program. Then HTML headings. See here, if you want to write down any heading for your document, so use the H tag is for heading. We'll see here, HTML headings are defined with the H1 to H6 tags, means you should use the 6 headings in your programs H1 to H6. For example, see here, H1 is for first heading. This is a first heading, then closing of this H1, then H2, this is a second heading H2, then third heading is this is a third heading, means see, this is called as a opening tag and this is called as a closing tag at the end using the /. See here, always these headings comes in bold format, means always whatever message, whatever heading you have written, that always comes in bold, means in dark color. See here, if you return the number of tags, means if you have used the 6 tags in your program, so first tag it will display the larger in size, then second one is smaller than the first one, then third one is smaller than the second one, then fourth one is smaller than the third one. Like this, each heading is smaller than the next one. Okay, like this it will display on the monitor screen. If you want to use the headings, use the H tag. H is for the heading. Then HTML paragraphs. If you want to write down any paragraph in your program, so HTML paragraphs are defined with P. P is the tag for paragraph. So this using this angle brackets, write down P. P is tag for paragraph. For example, see here we'll see the example. P, this is a paragraph. Whatever paragraph you want to write down, so that paragraph you should type here. Then opening of this P, then type paragraph. After ending of this paragraph, close the P tag using forward slash, close this paragraph tag P. Then P, this is another paragraph. If you want to write down the another paragraph, use another P. This is another paragraph, then close at the end. Okay, this is a format to write down the paragraph in your program. Then HTML links. Links means what? What purpose we use link? What is the use of link? We'll see here. HTML links are defined with the A tag. Always link tag. If you want to write down the link, if you want to give the link, so use the A tag. A tag is used for the link, means give the link. Link means what? See here, now you are at the first page. If you want to open the second page, if you want to go to the second page, so one thing is close the first page, then go on second page, then click that, then open the second page, like this. If you want to jump on the second page, so link that first page to the second page, means second page address placed in the first page. So if you clicked on that link, suddenly your cursor goes on the second page. That is called as a links, means how one page is connected to the another page. Using this link, we connect the number of web pages using this link. See, for example, A is the link for link tag. So use A, href equals to, this is a format to write down any link, equal to double quotes. This is a link, means which link you want to give, that link you type here. So this is a link. Whatever message you have written here, that message it will display on the first page output screen. Then this is a link, it shows in blue color. If you clicked on this, suddenly your cursor goes, means jump to the second page, means suddenly second web page will open, means first page is connected to the second web page. Then at the end, close this link forward slash A. This is another site. If you go to suddenly if you want to jump on the next page, so write down the link like this. See here, you have a practical depends on each tag, how to write down the heading, how to write down the paragraph, how to connect one web page to another web page. All these things you have in practical. When college start, we'll see these practicals in our lab. Okay. Okay, HTML images. HTML images means hypertext markup language. Using this language, how to insert any image. If you want to insert any image on your web page, how to insert? See here, HTML image are defined with the img. This is the image tag. If you want to insert any image on your web page, use this tag for inserting the image. So img is for image. This is a tag for inserting image. For example, see here, like this you can write down the tag, write down the code, then that image will displayed on the output screen. See here, img src means screen, image screen equals to whatever image you want to insert on your web page, that image address you should copy and just paste it here and type here width, how much larger size picture you want, that means picture width and height you describe here. I want width is 104, height is 142. How many width and height you want, you can type it here in double quotes and just close it. Then image, that image will displayed on the monitor screen. See here, for image tag there is no ending closing tag, only the opening tag img src equals to, like this, and there is no closing tag for the image tag. Then HTML formatting tags, means what are the tags comes to format any document. HTML uses tags like B. B is for bold. If you written any message, if you want that message in bold, means in dark color, so use B. Then whatever message you have written, it will displayed in dark color, mean in bold format. Then I is for italic. If you want to write down that whatever message you have written in italic, means in cross way, so use I tag, means that whatever message you have written, it comes in italic format. Then for formatting output like bold or italic text, these HTML tags are called formatting tags. These are the formatting tags. B is for bold or I is for italic, defines bold or italic text only. HTML text formatting. See here, if you written code behind this, how it looks. See here, HTML bold. This is a bold tag. Means see, you have written that this text is bold. If you want to display this text in bold, so like this in dark color, that text will display. This is a bold text and this is a italic text. Italic text means if you use the I tag, whatever message you have written, it comes in cross way like this text is italic. This is computer output, means how we type on computer, how it comes on computer screen. If you want in that format, so use this this tag. This is a computer output. Then this is a subscript. If you want to write down any subscript, if you want to write down the water formula H2O, so 2 comes in at the below. So if you want to write down that H2O, so use this subscript. And superscript means if you want to write down any square, x cube like this, so use the superscript to write down the x square or cube. Okay, these are the formatting tags. There are number of tags in HTML page. See here, HTML text formatting tags. These are the tags. Will display. We shall discuss this all tags. What is the use of each tag and what is the format of this? We'll discuss in next video class.